So in this program, we are going to find out which is the biggest number among three numbers. So I have created a wizard, a sprite wizard here. Now in this program, we require three variables. So let me create the three variables A, B, C. So click make variables A, then B, followed by C. Let me place them properly. Like in the previous program, let us create sliders for these variables so that we can try with different values for A, B, C. Now the three variables are defined. Let us start the program with the start button. So when clicked is selected here. Now for doing comparisons, let us select if else. Here first we have to compare A with B. So let me select the operators and greater than condition. So first I will compare A with B. So I will select A here and I will select B here. Now let us see. We are comparing A with B. If this condition is satisfied, what does it mean? Among these two numbers, A is bigger. So now I have to compare A with the third number, that is C. Again, there can be two alternatives. So I have to again insert if condition within this and put it here. So A is bigger than B. Now I have to compare A with C. So let me select the operator and put greater than condition here. Now I have to compare A with C. So let me bring A and C here. Now let us see once again how this is going on. So A is bigger than B. A is also bigger than C. So naturally A is the biggest number. So that we have to display here. So let me select looks and say insert here. And here we'll modify the text as A is the biggest number. Now let us come here. Now A is bigger than B, but A is not bigger than C. What does it mean? Let us suppose A is 50, B is 40 and C is 70. So A is bigger than B. But A is not bigger means C is the biggest number. So here we have to say C is the biggest number. We can see once again 50, 40 and 70. So A is bigger than B, 50 is higher than 40, but 50 is not bigger than 70. So naturally C is the biggest number. So we are displaying that. Now let us come to this block. A is not bigger than B. So that means B is bigger among these two numbers. So now we have to compare B with C. So let us put a control here and let us take if else block here. So here what we have to do, we have to compare B with C. So we'll select B and C. But before that we select the operator greater than condition here and put B here and C here. So A is not bigger, so B is bigger. So when B is bigger, now we have to compare B with C. If B is bigger, naturally B is the biggest number. So we have to say B is the biggest number. We have to display that result by using C. Now let us come to this block. So among A and B, B is bigger. But among B and C, C is bigger. That means C is the biggest number. So let us display that result here. C is the biggest number. Right. Now how many seconds you want to display? You can modify by 5 seconds. At all the places you can modify with 5 seconds. That's it. Now let us try our program with the different values. First let us make A as the biggest number, maybe 90 or 89, 91. Okay. Let us give some values to B and C. Doesn't matter which values you give. And if you click here, you see A is the biggest number. Now let us make B as the biggest number by giving a big number to B, small numbers, small values to A and B. So C is 78, A and B are 34 and 32. Let me try. So B is the biggest number. Let us try with the big number for C, 89 or 99. A and B are small values, 9 and 24. Click here. C is the biggest number. So that means the program is working for all the numbers whatever you have taken, and it is displaying the correct result. So this is how the program can be done, and I hope you like it. You can subscribe to it. Thank you.